Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and play Telegram games, those quick, addictive mini-games that live right inside the Telegram app. By the end of this video, you'll be able to jump into a game in seconds, challenge your friends, and never worry about installing anything extra. If you've ever been curious about keeping yourself entertained on Telegram, this walkthrough is all you need. Let's dive right in. Now, the first thing to know, and this surprises a lot of people, is that Telegram games are actually HTML5 mini-games. That means there's nothing to download or install, no separate app cluttering up your phone. It's a bit like clicking a link to play a web game, but all seamlessly within Telegram itself. So everything happens instantly, and you're always playing the latest version. To make sure your experience is as smooth as possible, double-check that you've got the latest version of Telegram on your device. This is an important step because older versions might not support the in-app gaming features, or some newer bots might not function as expected. So quickly head to your App Store, Google Play if you're on Android, or the App Store on iOS, and see if there are any updates available for Telegram. It takes just a minute and you'll avoid any weird glitches or compatibility issues down the road. Once your Telegram app is up to date, go ahead and open it. Look for the search bar, which usually appears as a little magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on that. Think of it as your gateway to the world of Telegram gaming. You'll need to search for a game bot. Now you might be wondering, what's a bot? In Telegram, bots are special automated accounts that provide all kinds of interactive content, and in this case, they're what will host your games. Type in queries like @GameBot or @Gammy. These are two of the most popular Telegram game bots, and either one will give you access to a variety of quick, fun games. If you're ever unsure which to pick, you can try both. Each has its own set of unique games. When you found a bot that interests you, tap to open the chat with that bot. Usually you'll see a big start button at the bottom. Go ahead and hit that. Don't worry if it takes a moment. Sometimes the bot will send you a little welcome message or a menu of game options right away. Just follow along and you'll see a list of available games tailored to you. Now it's time for the fun part. Browse the list and choose a game that grabs your attention. The titles might range from endless runners to puzzles to trivia. Whatever your mood, there's likely something that hits the spot. And here's something cool. You don't just play these games alone. Once you've picked your game, tap play. This will launch the game instantly right inside Telegram. Think of it as opening a game in a pop-up window, no separate download, no lag. At this point, you could just dive in and enjoy playing solo, but Telegram takes it a step further. If you want to challenge your friends, you can easily share the game message into any group chat you're a part of. This posts your score and your friends can jump right in to try and beat it. Suddenly, it's not just about killing a few minutes. It becomes a little friendly competition with leaderboards keeping track of your best plays, and that's it. In just a few steps, you're ready to play tons of different games, solo or with friends, from inside an app you probably already use every day. If you found this helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to recommend your favorite Telegram game, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more easy, useful tech walkthroughs. Have fun gaming and see you next time.